Ever wondered why some people always seem to exceed expectations at work while others struggle? Today, we unravel the secret. Picture yourself in a bustling office where some individuals consistently outshine the rest. What's their secret sauce, you ask? Is it innate talent, relentless hard work, or a magic trick nobody else knows? Well, the truth is far more accessible and intriguing. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this fascinating subject. You won't want to miss it. Many believe that working longer hours equates to better performance. But is this truly the case? This is a common misconception that many of us have fallen prey to. We live in a society that often equates hustle with success, making us believe that the more hours we put in, the more productive we are. However, this couldn't be further from the truth. It's not about working harder, but smarter. Efficiency doesn't mean spending late nights at the office or skipping lunch breaks. It's about optimizing your time and energy to produce the best results. It's about understanding your peak productivity hours and leveraging them to accomplish tasks. It's about setting clear priorities and focusing on what truly matters. So if you've been burning the midnight oil thinking it's the only way to excel, it's time to rethink. It's not about the hours you put in, but the output you produce. Intrigued? Let's dive in. The most effective tool for exceeding expectations isn't a software or a gadget. It's something much simpler: effective communication. Now, don't underestimate the power of clear, concise, and considerate communication. It's the backbone of any successful enterprise, the catalyst that sparks innovation and drives productivity. Imagine an office where everyone understands their role, where goals are set clearly, where feedback is constructive and given promptly. That's what effective communication can achieve. It eliminates confusion, reduces errors, and ensures everyone is on the same page, working towards the same objectives. And it's not just about speaking, it's about listening to your team, your superiors, your clients, understanding their needs, their concerns, their ideas. It's about creating an environment where everyone feels heard, valued, and motivated to give their best. Mastering communication is the key to unlocking your potential at work. But how can you do that? Let's find out. Imagine being the go-to person at work, the one everyone trusts to get the job done. How does that sound? Exceptional, isn't it? Now let's delve into the bountiful benefits of excellence. When you exceed expectations, you become a beacon of reliability. That's a reputation that follows you, opening doors to opportunities and paving your way to success. Increased job satisfaction is another perk of being excellent. You'll find joy in knowing you're doing a great job and contributing to the success of your team and company. And let's not forget about promotions. Your dedication and hard work will not go unnoticed. Promotions and raises are more likely to come your way when you consistently deliver high-quality work. Recognition, too, is a key benefit. When you excel, you stand out, and standing out often leads to praise and acknowledgement from your peers and superiors. Sound appealing? Let's move on to how you can make this a reality. Now that you know the secret, it's time to put it into action. Start by honing your communication skills and shifting your focus from the hours you work to the quality of your output. Implement these techniques and observe how they foster excellence in your professional life. Remember, the path to excellence isn't crowded. Start your journey today and see the difference it makes. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights.